morning ka-friendship. Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng pork steak. Okay, so without further ado, let's do the rock and roll. And here are the ingredients. To do first ka-friendship is imamarinate natin ang ating pork. Maglagay tayo ng asin. Ayan. Ng pepper. Ilagay na rin natin ang ating soy sauce. Ayan. Kalahati lang muna ka-friendship. At saka ang ating calamansi juice. Ayan. I-spread lang natin ang ating marinade ka-friendship. And then, ganun din sa kabila. Lagyan natin ng pampalasa. Ayan, lagyan natin ng asin. Ng pepper. Ayan. Saka ng soy sauce. Ubos na rin natin ang ating calamansi. Okay, so ayan na siya ka-friendship. Imamarinate lang natin siya ng at least 30 minutes. And the best pa rin kung i-marinate natin siya ng overnight. Okay, so balikan natin siya later ka-friendship. What we're going to do first ka-friendship, sa isang preheated pan, ilagay natin ang ating butter. Dagdagan natin ng kunting cooking oil para hindi masunog yung ating butter. So, ayan. And then after that, idagdag natin ang ating onion rings. Palambutin lang natin siya ng kaunti ka-friendship. Gamitin natin ito pang garnish later sa ating pork steak. So ayan, okay na yan ka-friendship. I-remove natin siya sa pan and then set aside. So, ayan na po siya ka-friendship. Going to do next ka-friendship is ipiprito natin yung ating marinated pork. So, ayan ka-friendship, ipiprito lang natin siya hanggang sa mag-golden brown yung both sides ng ating pork. Balikan natin siya later ka-friendship. Ayan na po ka-friendship, nag-brown na yung ang both sides ng ating pork. So, what we're going to do next is, idagdag at isasay natin ang ating garlic. Ayan. And then, idagdag na rin natin ang ating onion. Okay ka-friendship, ayan na po ang ating pork. Actually, inalagyan ko na siya ng bell pepper at saka dinagdagan ko na rin ng boiling water. Just enough para lumambot yung ating pork. Okay? So, hindi ko lang siya na-film because of technical issue. So, at this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating marinade. So, ayan. So, baliktarin natin yung ating pork para even yung pagka-luto sa kanya at saka ma-absorb niyo mabuti ang lasa ng ating pampalasa. Okay, so ayan na siya ka-friendship. Papabukalan na. Ibuboil lang natin siya ng at least another 20 minutes. So, balikan natin siya later. So, ayan na po ka-friendship ang ating pork steak. Actually, nailagay ko na yung ating oyster sauce at saka na-season ko na rin siya ng salt and pepper. So, ayan na siya ka-friendship. Luto na siya, ready for serving na yung ating pork steak. Ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating pork steak. Okay? So, ayan na po siya ka-friendship. And then, garnish lang natin siya ng onion onion rings. So, ayan na po siya, ka-friendship. Friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating pork steak for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell, and every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Mirah at your service. Always remember, you never know how strong you are until being strong is the only choice you have. Okay, ka-friendship, thank you very much for watching. See you